Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be sharing what I think is a very useful product with you. This is a portable jump starter for your car. So we get this nice little carry pouch here. Pretty nice sized because you don't have to, like really squeeze everything into it. So I do like that you get quite a bit of space. We've got a little compartment for the portable jump starter itself. And then we've got another little compartment that keeps your jump starter cables. You've got your user manual. The translations in this aren't great, just be aware. And we've also got a USB-C charge cable. If you have purchased this product, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to use it. So that will be in the video after I discuss the features of this. So you'll see it all fits back in very easily.
So this jump starter will work on up to 10-litre petrol engines, 8-litre diesel engines. It also doubles as a power bank. It has a bright LCD screen. It also is lightweight and portable. It even has a bright flashlight. On the power pack, we have a screen that gives you your battery percentage reading. You need to make sure this is over 50% if you're going to be attempting to jumpstart a vehicle. Otherwise, it may not work. And then we've got a bunch of specifications on the back and on the side. On the top here, this is where we insert the jumper cables. We've got our output here, which you can use to charge your devices. We got our input port to charge the product up. And we also have a light on the top. So you hold the button to power it on. And then you tap it to switch between the different modes. The final time we'll turn it off. Has a decent weight to it. I have my old Jumpstart power pack here. So I did make a video on this one. I will put a link in the top of the video if you want to go check it out. I did have some people comment on this older video I made for this one here. And they said there's no way this product will jumpstart a car. It doesn't have enough power or something like that. Someone commented and said they were a mechanic. I wasn't able to test this old one in the video because I didn't have a dead battery, the same as with this video and this product. But later on, after reviewing this older power pack, my dad's car wouldn't start in the morning. We hooked this up and it jumpstart the vehicle absolutely fine. So this did indeed work. You will see I put an update on my old video of this one, a pinned comment, and unfortunately the battery in this one appears to have failed about a year after owning it. So very disappointing. I'm hoping this one will last longer, and I normally try and put an update under my videos in the comments later on if I have any problems with the product, if it breaks, anything like that. Or you can send me a message, just leave a comment and ask me if I still have the product and if it's still working. And I can't promise I'll always reply if I don't see your comment, but I will do my best. Firstly, you want to locate the battery in your car. Mine is just under this cover. Yours might be similar, but otherwise just refer to your manual for your car or look up online and you'll find how to locate the car battery. It's usually pretty straightforward and easy to get to. Next, you want to make sure the power bank has more than 50% charge, as it may not work. You then want to connect the connector into the power pack. Don't connect them to the battery first. You need to connect them to the power bank first. Then go ahead and connect the positive to the positive terminal and negative to negative. If you don't know what the positive and negative contact points are, if you look on the cables for your jump starter, they'll have a plus and minus on the corresponding connector, and on the battery you'll also have a plus and a minus, so you can match them up pretty easily. Just look for it and you'll find it. Make sure you have a good connection as well, otherwise this can cause issues. So by a good connection, I mean make sure it's securely fastened onto the metal and it has a good contact onto the points. Then you want to wait until the green light is solid green before you attempt to start the car. If you don't get a solid green light, your battery may be completely dead and you will need to use the boost button. You then have 30 seconds to start the car. If you get a red light, then you may have done something wrong and please refer to the user manual. Once you finish starting your car, disconnect the cables from the power pack first, then disconnect the clamps from the battery. Here are my final thoughts on this product. Of course, this was only a hands-on review as I don't have a dead battery to test this on, but I have done a little bit of research and I saw some other YouTubers testing this product and they did show it indeed working and jump starting a car. I do like the big screen we have here with a nice clear indication of how much battery life is left in the product, so you can always make sure it's charged to the correct level, so you know you're not going to be stranded and not be able to jump start your car. And hopefully the battery lasts in this one, and I will try and keep you updated. And yeah, it feels pretty decent quality. It does have a little bit of a cheaper plastic feel, but it's got a decent weight in the hand, and hopefully it holds up. This will just be sitting in my car, so it won't get any wear and tear. It'll just be there. Hopefully I don't need it, but if I do, then hopefully it works for me. I hope you enjoyed the video and you found it useful. If you want to pick up this product, I will put a link down below for you. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.